Vocabulary 24, last ones for this unit. These are all from those last two things, the Kamaishi Miracle and Burn Lake. So, reluctant means not willing or enthusiastic. So she was reluctant to go into the dark house alone. She didn't want to do it. Teachers were reluctant to let Katata teach disaster preparedness. So they weren't really enthusiastic about doing that. You might be reluctant about doing a certain subject or participating in a certain activity. And it generally describes how someone is feeling. Principles, a basic idea or belief. Now you might think, oh, a principle like Ms. Jackson. That is spelled Principal, like principal, because she's your friend, she's your pal. Whereas this is talking about something different. Principles, in this case, are those ideas or beliefs. We'll call that good. So our country's laws are supposed to be based on the principles of liberty and justice. I did what some of you do in your sentences. I accidentally wrote ideas instead of the word itself. Our country's laws are supposed to be based on the principles of liberty and justice. Katata taught his method using 3 principles, 3 basic ideas or beliefs. Preconceived, to have an idea or opinion about before having a lot of information about something. So she had a preconceived idea that pickles were gross, but then liked them once she tried them. The first principle is to not believe preconceived ideas. And pretty much always it's like a preconceived idea or a preconceived opinion. It's an adjective that usually goes with the word idea or opinion. I'm trying to think. Notion. Any synonym for that is what it goes with. Moistened, to make or become slightly wet. So she moistened the rag and washed the car, meaning like to make it moist. The silt moistened and then water filled the pit, was generally how it was used in that poem. So the silt is like the dirt got wet and then water filled the pit. Revelation, a revelation, something that is revealed that wasn't known before. So revelation, reveal. Notice how those are very similar. It's like reveal is the verb of it. Revelation is the noun, the act of being revealed. So the biography was filled with new revelations about the pop star. So new things that people didn't know, something that was revealed. It was a revelation, kidney-shaped and green. So it's like something that was revealed that wasn't known before. Preparedness. I had used that in the sentence up above, where teachers were reluctant to let Katata teach disaster preparedness. So that's why there's only one sentence. It's the condition or state of being prepared. So if you are prepared, you show preparedness. The family showed a lot of preparedness for the storm because they had a lot of supplies. You could show preparedness in a lot of ways. And again, generally like you show preparedness. Or like in the other sentence, they taught preparedness. Evacuation, last word. The removal of people from a dangerous place is used a couple of times. So the fire led to an evacuation from the building. Once they felt the earthquake, they ran to the evacuation point. So we practice evacuating, which is the verb form, with our fire drills. Evacuation is just that process of people leaving because there's danger of some sort. Make sure you write your own sentences in your exit slip, and if you need any help coming up with them, let me know. Or remember, you can take the ones I gave you and modify them a little bit for your exit slip. They should be your own, but they can be a modification or similar to the ones that I gave. Good luck.